Okay, so I'm just at Sean's house, and Jolie and Sean came up with this idea for making these removable uh, pieces on their mountains. So there's this Glad press and seal, which it's kind of like a wax paper or removable, and they actually spray foamed a chunk on there and put the press and seal as a test with the non-stick side. And I mean, this stuff sticks to everything, and it didn't stick to that, which is a pretty neat thing. So now what they're doing is there's a removable top to this mountain, and Sean's gonna plaster right in here, and he wants that lip to basically overhang so you don't see the gap. It basically closes it up. So he shoved the press and seal in here and then made it conform to the edge. And then he's going to plaster on top, like I say. And here, Sean, go ahead and lift it up. So you can see that's how basically it comes off. Okay, we'll put it back on. And this is how it's just wrapped on the end. So it's fitted into place. And now he's going to do the plaster. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this. I thought it was a pretty neat idea.